Okay, guys, Robert. And when Robert's standing next to me, it means gourmet pizza. What are we doing today?
Chili cheese dog pizza.
You ready to get into it?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
All right, first step here is to take shortening. Once again, grease the pan. This is exactly how we did the Reuben pizza. If you haven't seen it, go check out that video. All right, next step, a little bit of flour on here. All right. Now we take our dough, which we got from Publix. Make sure you get flour on there so it doesn't stick. And just start working out the dough again. All right, next lay the dough on your pan, and at this point it probably still won't be big enough, so you just want to stretch the edges till you get it there. All right, next step after you get it stretched out, put your chili down. I like to use Vietti chili. I'm actually not even a chili lover, but I love Vietti chili. You could use your own homemade chili if you wanted, but like I said, I don't like chili except for this stuff here. And I do get the chili without the beans. All right, chili's all down. Next, I go with cheddar cheese on here, just like you'd get on a chili cheese dog. Next step is take your hot dogs.
What kind?
Nathan's, because that's the only good hot dog out there. Start putting hot dogs down. All right, next step, after you get these hot dogs on, just throw just a small layer of cheese right over the top of them. All right, maybe a big layer of cheese, but just not as much cheese as you put down on the first layer. All right, and just like with a regular chili cheese dog, the raw onions going after it is cooked. All right, next step, ready to go in the oven, 420 degrees for probably 20-25 minutes.
Oh, baby. Look at that.
Still sizzling. Ready for the onions?
Yep, top it off. And do it however you like it, because I like onions.
All right, good.
Here we go. Work of art. Ow. Yeah, molten lava. Okay, so Robert had some words of encouragement. What did you say was happening in our mouths?
We're going to burn it really bad.
All right. Should we wait?
No.
It's like you hold it like a chili cheese dog, too. Just like that. Dude, it's freaking, it's nuclear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How was it?
That is delicious. Just like a chili cheese dog, but better.
Chili cheese dog on a pizza, guys. That's it. Okay, so you're one of the moderators of Pizza Posse.
Yeah, Pizza Posse on Facebook.
Right? We'll put the link down below.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do that.
Sign up for Pizza Posse on Facebook, guys. I'm a part of the group. He's one of the moderators, and we'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Oh, and any pizza ideas, put down below, all right? Cool?
Yep.
Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.